Replacing a DC power board of the MA5600T. Record the cable connections and switch off the input circuit breaker that controls the power board to be replaced in the PDU. Loosen the screws on the cable and remove the cable. Loosen the captive screws on the panel of the power board. Pull the ejector levers to 90 degrees, smoothly pull out the power board along the slot, and dispose of the power board according to the specifications. Please pay attention to these items. Insert a new power board into the slot along the guide rails. When the ejector levers are in contact with the surface subrack, pull the ejector levers to 0 degrees to the panel of the power board and tighten the captive screws on the power board. Connect the power cable according to the recorded information. Tighten the captive screws on the power cable and switch on the input circuit breaker that controls the power board in the PDU. Check the power indicator on the power board. If the indicator is steady green, the power board is running properly.